Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到香香手工，我是香香。本期呢，我们再来学做一款比较简单的皱纹止康乃馨，不用模板，无需裁剪就能制作。
I can your danger so think so you say hello breaking you find to go break down you might below Angel you down thinking think so you're breaking down say hi to send you go break down you might below and you know you're saying to go you don't know I love you so breaking down I find to go I can down to show Angel now you think so don't break the danger though breaking I find to go break down you might below and you know you're saying to go you don't know I love you so breaking down you're trying to go I can down to show And you know you're trying to go You don't know I love you so Breaking down you're trying to go I can down to show